Here's another factor to look at: the Y generation, about 75 million strong. These millennials or echo boomers are just starting to buy their first homes. Look at what the industry experts and studies are saying. Generation Y is second in size only to the baby boom generation, representing enormous market potential for those in the housing, retail, and entertainment development industries who understand their needs and desires. With the oldest members of Generation Y now entering their prime spending years, this generation will ultimately change the economic landscape of America. The oldest millennials, now in their late 20s, are nearing the average age of first-time home buyers, and many of them are already taking advantage of attractive buying conditions. As the millennials continue to age, their choices will have a major impact on the housing inventory and the direction of new construction. Like the early baby boomers in the 1946 to 64 era, the 80 million strong Generation Y today will make up the wave of future homeowners in the U.S. The real estate advisory firm concludes Generation Y is generally bullish on the housing market. The group has a surprisingly strong sense of optimism about the future, despite cautious near-term sentiment. More interestingly, note, this survey found that 50% say they are likely to purchase a home within the next 3 years. 50% say tax credits or lower interest rates would motivate them to purchase a residence sooner. 70% believe home prices will be higher or at today's levels in 2 years. And 62% say wealth creation is a very big advantage of real estate ownership. Let's put this in perspective. The demand for housing is expected to skyrocket soon. In a supply-demand world with tons of millennials needing housing soon, what does this mean? The demand is about to go up. So do you want to wait and buy high, or do you want to buy now when it's low? I think you've got it.